We'll guide you through how to download and install Notepad++ in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Notepad++ is a great app, so we'll guide you through how you can go and get it and start using it. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser of your choice. I use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And then what we're going to do is go and type in Notepad++, like so, and go and search for it. We're going to go to the official site, which is notepad-plus-plus.org. So we can come here. On the homepage, you can go and read about it. And then to go and download it, come over to the left and go and click on download like so. We can then go and see the different versions here. I want to get the most recent one, which is the one at the top. So we can go and tap there. Now we can go and scroll down like so, and you want to go and grab the installer. So you can go and click on it like this, and the installer is going to go and start. Now that it's downloaded, we want to go and get it. So we need to come to our downloads, open your file explorer, come to the left, and you can then go and find it here. Double click it and we can go and start installing it. You need to go and choose your language. We can then press next. Make sure you read and agree to this. I already have, and press I agree. Choose the destination install folder, press next, and you can then go and choose these here. I'll go and do a minimalist installation, but it's going to be up to you. Then press next and press install. What you can do is go and have run notepad selected, press finish, and it will then go and start. Here it is. Now what we can do is we can go to a text file, for example this here. We can go and right click on it, hover over open with, and press choose another app. And then you can scroll down, you can click on it, choose an app on your PC, and we can find Notepad++. Double tap on it and you can then select it and press open. Select always, and now when I go and open up these text files, it will go and use Notepad.